The ability to plan and manage parts is critical to effective service delivery. Having the right parts for the job will fuel your field service team's success. Meanwhile, your business leaders know you can't afford to have excess inventory driving up costs. Combining service parts planning and field service management, ServiceMax Parts Planning by Baxter Planning forecasts parts demand and recommends target inventory levels so that complex enterprises can ensure parts availability while minimizing inventory costs. ServiceMax Parts Planning provides visibility to all of your assets, active service level agreements, and historical demand information, all mapped to a specific warehouse location. Utilizing asset and demand information, the software generates a forecast for each part, predicting when and how often that part will be needed. These forecasts are tuned to demand-to-react patterns such as very low demand and seasonality. Auto-select allows the system to select the best forecast method and adjust as needed, so you're always planning optimally. Proprietary algorithms calculate cost-optimized target stock levels for each part. Replenishment and redeployment orders rebalance the network by automatically distributing inventory from a distribution center across field sites. Shipments are prioritized so that key locations supporting your most critical customers are fulfilled first, especially in scenarios with inventory availability constraints. ServiceMax Parts Planning also calculates supply and repair order forecasts that can be sent to suppliers to help them meet future requirements. Order alerts are generated for purchase and repair orders that need to be approved and executed. Users and managers monitor planning activities and stay on target with a full suite of reporting and analytics. One example is the Hit Rate Dashboard. It determines the root cause of each planning miss and measures if the plan is meeting supply chain goals efficiently. Corrective actions are provided to help prevent additional misses in the future. ServiceMax Parts Planning provides all the capabilities service leaders need to improve first-time fix rates, reduce in-time to repair, and improve customer satisfaction.